Hey everyone, today we will talk about different types of questions to expect while preparing for an SDE interview for junior to mid-level. While most of you must be thinking, well, it's a pretty much obvious format. Firstly, a couple of rounds of DSA followed by system design, and at the end a behavioral round for team fitment as well as cultural fit. Well, up to a certain point, yes, it's true. But today I will help you in having a targeted preparation as per the company for which you are aiming for. So I have broadly grouped companies by observing patterns in their interview process into three categories. First comes tech giants like Amazon, Adobe, Walmart, followed by medium level companies like Paytm, Airtel, Oyo, and at the end comes startups like Nykaa, PhonePe or Navi Insurance. Let's start our journey with tech giants. Well, we can safely say that 90% of the interview process remains the same. It usually starts with DSA, problem solving, and then system design, which may be a high level or low level depending upon your interviewer and the role for which you are applying. Design questions will mostly be related to the domain of the company. Like Amazon may ask about shopping cart flow or payment gateway. On the other hand, Uber may ask about the navigation system or may be designing the whole Uber at high level. Next in line are medium but not so medium level companies. So if you will pay a little bit of closer attention to the job description itself, it will tell you about the expectations from the candidates, like experience in certain problem domains or having a strong hands-on over a language. Since these companies use open source tool for development and the hiring process is usually centered for a specific team, they may expect you a good strong command over a language, say Python or Java. For these companies, knowledge of frameworks like Spring or in database say Redis can act as a very big plus while you are being reviewed as a candidate for that position. You can expect at least one round based upon these criteria, or interviewer may test your implementation skills in between the design round itself. So since big companies usually have in-house products for almost everything, they usually don't base their interviewing process on frameworks or languages. This is the main difference between the two categories, and rest of the process usually remains the same. Last is startups. Finally, startups go into most implementation level details when interviewing candidates for a given role. Along with coding, design, framework and language level questions, they go one level deeper to a real implementations by asking you to provide a complete end-to-end solution of a problem. They may also ask you to do a home assignment which would consist of a small problem. These are done to test your knowledge of object-oriented principles as well as your coding skills to do a production-ready code with minimal supervision. Now, the implementation level details will depend upon the seniority of the role for which you are applying. If you are a fresher, most probably it's going to be a very easy question like two players playing tic-tac-toe. However, if you are an experienced developer, same problem can be modified to cover various real-life scenarios like near real-time tic-tac-toe with millions of users playing at the same point of time, maintaining different rooms, maintaining ranks, and then finally testing out scalability and latency of the system. In the end, I want to say that all this information is based upon my own experience and by collecting data from my friends. Hence, I would encourage you all to go over the internet and read about the latest interview experiences. If you found this video useful, please leave a like and subscribe for similar content in the future. Take care and see you soon in my next video.